How to add two businesses on TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to log into your TurboTax online and open your return. Now, you want to click on the federal option over here, then select wages and income. Now select self-employment and expenses. Here, you first of all want to add in your first business. Make sure that you enter all the details such as business name, industry or profession, business structure, income and expenses. Once that is done, review the entries and save that. Now you want to click on the option of add another line of work. Now enter all the details for your second business. After that, you want to review all the entries, then click on the save option. As you can see, you have successfully added two businesses over here. You can now input income and expenses separately for each business, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.